Today we're going to talk about circuit theory and how it's used in the electronic design process. Essentially, it's using proven physics and mathematical properties to create practical applications with electrical elements. This is then used to analyze vast amounts of electric and electronic circuits. An electric circuit only contains passive elements, which are resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Electronic circuits include both passive and active components, such as vacuum tubes and transistors. So what's the difference between a passive and an active component? A passive component doesn't require any power to function correctly, whereas an active component needs a certain amount of input power to turn on. We talked about in the previous lesson a LED. This is an example of an active component because it needs around 1 or 2 volts to be able to function correctly and light up. This is an example illustration of an electronic circuit. This can also be considered a block diagram for a common electronic device called an amplifier. We can discern that this is an electronic circuit because it has an input voltage here, which allows it to be able to amplify this input signal to generate a much higher signal at the output.